Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. So here in this video, we will talk about the most searchable mobile phone, named iPhone 15. So be with us and make sure to subscribe to our channel for our future videos as well, because our channel can help you find best mobile for you in your own budget easily. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated iPhone 15. I've been using it for a while now, so let's jump into the details. Design. The design of the iPhone 15 continues Apple's tradition of sleek elegance. See, it's slim, lightweight, and the ceramic back not only feels premium, but also contributes to improved durability. Display. The iPhone 15 boasts a 6.5-inch ProMotion XDR display with vibrant colors and deep blacks. The 124-hour refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions. Camera. Now, let's talk about the camera. The triple lens setup, including a 108 MP primary sensor, delivers stunning photos. Night mode has seen a significant improvement, providing clear and bright shots even in low light. Performance. Under the hood, the A16 Bionic chip ensures lightning-fast performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using demanding apps, the iPhone 15 handles it all seamlessly. Battery life and charging. The battery life has seen an improvement thanks to both hardware and software optimizations. And with 30W fast charging, you can get up to 50% charge in just 15 minutes. Software. iOS 16 brings new features and enhancements, maintaining Apple's commitment to user-friendly experiences. The integration of AI in daily tasks and improved privacy features are notable. Conclusion. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 is a powerhouse of performance, design, and innovation. If you're due for an upgrade and want the best Apple has to offer, the iPhone 15 is worth every penny. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know your thoughts on the iPhone 15 in the comments. Until next time, take care.